te kamai sak ma bangun ko te mo na zong mai sak ta in kem nang thok sak ke in gilo pa khem pan hun khian ukzo na wang let na min chan na ni ton tung ta ai khian na alian som ni an le thum pan som le sagi ke sim lo pasian dang na nei ke ding hi akisak sim milim hi ta le tung van tung le noi le tui sunga om bang na khat peu na nga ding in bolin na be ke ding hi to pa na pasian min na zang khai na su ke ding hi to pa na pasian in hong piak bang in sa ban ni sam thoin na zang ding hi to ba na pasian in na hong piak le tak tunga na khala sa phe na ding in na nu na pa za ta ki mi na that ke ding hi nu le pa mo na bol ke ding hi na ko ke ding hi na beng te nang khada ma lo te ji na pang sak ke ding hi na beng te ne na kha peu na dei ko ke ding hi
magnify your name, oh Lord. You're holy, Lord. You're holy, and we lift you up and magnify your name. As I look around and I see all the works that your hands have made, the awesomeness of you, and how your love will never fade. Mere words cannot express what I feel inside. I can't describe your glory divine, but as a token of my love, this is what I'll do. I'll lift my hands and cry, Lord, you're holy. Lord, you're holy. You're holy. Lord, we lift you up and magnify your name. Lord, you're holy. You're holy. So holy. You're holy, and we lift you up and magnify your name. There's not enough words that I can say to tell you how much I appreciate all the wonderful things you've given me. Your loving kindness, your tender mercies. It's my desire to praise you and tell you how much I love you. You're worthy of all of the honor, Lord. You're worthy of all the praise. I don't know how you could love me, how you could give me so much mercy. You didn't have to suffer and die for me way back